I, I don't know if that bumper's that sturdy or that good.
What did you just say? What's the matter?
I don't like that stock bumper.
Oh, well, how about we grab this one? It's pretty awkward, but why don't we use this one? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Link.
I'm Chris.
And today we're going to be installing a brand new aftermarket bumper for the Axys. So it's a CR Racing bumper and tunnel strengthener thingy mabob. It's going to look better and be sturdier than this one here. So first things first is we got to take off this reflector and the 163 sticker on both sides. We're going to do that with a heat gun, so let's get to it.
All right, so Link, we got the rear bumper taken off. It was 4 bolts and actually one through the rear flap. And this is where the side brace goes on first. So you can see right here where it kind of fits around the back part of the running board and the stirrup. So that fits there. But the only thing that we found is that there's a rivet here. We're going to have to take that off. So this will fit. And then where the CR Racing logo is, we got to drill 2 holes there. And then this hole fits through the existing bumper, or this bolt fits through the existing bumper hole, but this one does not. So we'll have to drill a hole there. So everywhere you see one of these little holes is where a rivet goes through. And everywhere you see where one of the big holes is, it's like where the factory rivets are in the tunnel. So a very nice quality piece. But anyway, so what we'll do is when you're drilling, make sure like this part here, this is where the coolant runs through. It's, you know, like kind of in the top part. So don't drill holes in that or it's going to be a bad day. But what we'll do though is we will get rid of this rivet here and we'll take this part off and these bolts out and we'll just end up putting this bolt through. And then we'll probably do the same on the other side and we'll mock it up loose fit. Then we'll might put some clamps or something on it, and then we'll start drilling for the rivets.
All right, so we got these 2 bolts in just to mock it and keep it in place for now. But holy, that does look pretty good, even just not completely on right now. So now we're going to drill all these little holes throughout here so we can put our black rivets. It came with some, where are they? It came with some silver ones, but we think that the black ones that we had from a previous sled will look better with the whole color scheme of the sled. We're also going to grab some clamps to clamp that down because, yeah, you know. Anyway, so we're going to drill the holes and start riveting. you go, guys. That easy to install this. Like, total time, if we weren't filming and stuff, probably would have been about like an hour. Like, it's just that easy. And it looks so much better too. It goes very, very well with the lime green of the rest of the sled. So, yeah, this bumper is going to be nice and sturdy. It's very nice clearance with the grab handle. And because of how often I get stuck, I kind of need a little bit more of a grab handle. But anyway, yeah, so that's it for today. If you want to see anything more like this, then yeah, they'll put the link in the description down there. Yeah, comment if you want to see anything else. And yeah, that's it. So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.